After an early morning exploring the ancient cliff dwellings at Montezuma Castle and grabbing some fresh fry bread for the road, we headed south to Phoenix. We arrived by early afternoon, and being back in a big city, we decided it was going to be a chores day. First stop was Costco for a grocery restock to pack out our fridge, freezer, and pantry. Next, we hit up Los Altos Ranch Market in search of chicharrón or pork skin. Rolando loves trying different foods, and today he ended up walking out with orejitas or pig ears. Our last planned stop was laundry. To save time, we usually divide and conquer. While I take care of washing and folding our clothes, Rolando drives around town and empties and fills our water tanks, vacuums, and mops the floors of the van. With all our chores finally completed, we started looking for a scenic sunset location, but something was wrong, and because we didn't know what it was, we went to the nearest Pep Boys. Turns out, our tensioner pulley needed repairs. Unfortunately, it was already too late in the day to get the parts, so we had to wait until the next morning. By the time everything was fixed, it was midday. And with everything running smoothly again, we are officially back on the road.
See you at Lost Dutchman State Park.